Hey YouTube, welcome to Basic Computer Help. This video is more going to be a mailbag or something type video. If you watch other electronics YouTubers, you'll know what I'm talking about. But I've gotten a lot of requests to do more Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and other programming videos. I've actually gotten a lot of people lately requesting me to do videos on Python. And I do intend to do that. I have been learning Python, so I'm not going to lie, I'm fairly new to it. But given my language background, it's not been a terribly hard language for me to learn. And it's also been interesting. I've avoided it just because it was a scripting language, but it's actually kind of fun. I've also bought some stuff from Adafruit.com to finish up to work with some of my videos. I've already been through the packaging to sort it out the way that I want to. But first thing is first, I purchased a Metro 328, which is really just a Arduino Uno. But the reason that I bought this is because of the the USB plug is a micro, and I have a lot of micro USB cables, whereas, like next to me right now, I have a clone Mega 328, and it uses the full-size USB. I have very few of these cables. Half the time I'm looking for them, so that's why I bought the Metro 328. So that's what that is for. I got this, and I also bought the kit just because it wound up saving some money, and some of my electronic stuff I still haven't found after I moved a couple of years ago. But I also bought like the starter kit, so it's got like an IR remote, several LEDs, some wires, a breadboard. I haven't really opened all of it, but it's like just a learner's kit for an Arduino. I also, since I have a lot of people asking me for Python videos, I picked up the Metro M4 Express. This is a circuit Python board, and I can use it for Python. I can also use it to program with C and C++ through the Arduino IDE as well. So yes, I got this, and I have been playing around with one of the boards that I got, just mostly on the NeoPixel. I thought about picking up some NeoPixels, but I just kind of ran out of money, so I didn't get any of those. I also picked up the Metro M4 Grand Central. I have an idea for a robot, building a robot, and that's what I got this for. That's going to be wound up being played out on Basic Computer Help as well. So yes, I got this. I picked up a couple of cables. I realized I said that I'm always looking for the full-size HDMI. USB, and that's actually what that one is. I also picked up some micros and USB Type-Cs. The servo, just for YouTube videos showing how to program in it, program for it, and even doing Python with it. Again, another breadboard, because I didn't realize that one came with a breadboard, and it's got some wiring with it too. And just because the Metro, I got the kit, it's got a little experimenter's guide, so we can go through some of that in some of the videos. And just because I ordered so much, Adafruit also throws in a Perma-Proto board. I've got a couple of these because I've ordered a lot through them. Wow, that's really washed out. It's just a breadboard, but you solder onto it. And I didn't realize that I was going to get this. I have a Stemma QT accelerometer, which was thrown in because I ordered so much as well. I'm going to look this up. I'm hoping I don't need a stemma board, but I don't think so because it's got places to solder in headers, as well as it also came with some straight headers to solder in myself. So yeah, this I might not use right away because I'm going to have to do some experimentation on it. But we'll see. Alright, yep, this was a quick video just showing you what I've gotten. So I'm going to do some experiments in future videos. I'm still working on some logistics, but I'm going to strip a lot of stuff out of my laptop and use that in my studio to program to my various boards. Alright, have a nice day.